The American Numismatic Association receives many manuscripts in a variety of topics. Some of these are pre-publication, so now standard references. Others have never been published, and they come in a variety of qualities and appearances. While this one may not be of the highest quality as far as production and appearance, The Amazing Morgan 78 by Victor Michonski is interesting for the material presented and for the time that it was produced. Michonski describes the varieties of the 1878 Morgan dollar, this is the first year of issue, with information about key features of each variety, and he shows changes in value of these coins over time, showing how the value changed from $1, which they were spent for many decades after production ceased, to the rising price of silver as a commodity. He also includes plates, and these are really mock-ups drawn as opposed to photographs, showing locations that collectors should look for, and also how some of the varieties would appear. He also has graphs showing the change in value over time. These would be matched with the respective descriptions in the book. What is equally significant, we received a letter at the time that this was donated to the library from Michonski's son, Robert Michonski, granting permission for the library to use the manuscript for research purposes and to publish it as we see fit. Thus, this is available on Internet Archive. There is a link from the catalog entry in the library catalog where you can view and download a copy of this manuscript. Again, it has been supplanted by the Van Allen Mallis books on Morgan dollar varieties, but it's still interesting because this was from the same time period that Van Allen and Mallis were publishing their first editions. And just in the way that Michonski describes the varieties and analyzes the change of interest in this series of coins.